Maratha pride has done what politics couldn't. It's brought Raj Thackeray and Uddhav Thackeray back together. The estranged cousins, once bitter rivals, are now united in taking on the BJP, accusing it of pushing Hindi in Maharashtra and undermining Marathi identity. Of course, the new controversy that's broken out here is of that infamous slapgate recently where 7 MNS workers were caught on camera assaulting a sweet shop owner in Meera Road after the employee refused to speak Hindi. Now, you had the MNS workers thrashing him black and blue. That video went viral and, of course, outrage instantly. Today, the MNS decided to hit the streets in massive protest, raising slogans and blocking roads, countering the protests launched by traders who claim that they are being harassed by people like the MNS members for not being able to speak Marathi. And well, we saw MNS carrying out this counter protest and police in Mumbai there trying hard to calm and diffuse the tensions there. Eventually what the police did was drag some of the MNS workers, dumped them into a police van and detained them. Basically, police claimed that these MNS workers had no permission to protest. Detained MNS men, angry, speaking to the media, said that they were being deliberately targeted by the Maharashtra police. They said if the traders were allowed to protest against them, they should also be allowed a counter protest. Well, that said, they echoed one line. If you're living in Maharashtra, then you must learn Marathi. There's no two ways. So MNS really digging in its heels. Now you have Chief Minister Devendra Fadnavis, who's warned against any kind of hooliganism. Of course, BJP MP Nishikant Dubey launching a fiery attack on the Thackeray cousins both, saying that their politics is cheap politics, that they're basically trying to spoil the mood in Maharashtra, and if they go outside Maharashtra, then they'll know what it really means to indulge in this kind of hooliganism. Nishikant Dubey of the BJP directly attacking the Thackeray brothers. Let's listen in.
आप में ज्यादा हिम्मत है तो आप हिंदी भाषी को मारते हो तो उर्दू भाषी को भी मारो, तमिलियन को भी मारो, आप जो है तेलुगु वाले को भी मारो। आप जो इस तरह की घटिया हरकत कर रहे हो, और मैंने हमेशा कहा है कि जब अपने घर में हो, महाराष्ट्र में हो, यदि बहुत बड़े बॉस हो तो चलो बिहार, चलो उत्तर प्रदेश, चलो तमिलनाडु, तुमको पटक पटक के मारेंगे। ये एनार्की जो है नहीं चलेगी।
महाराष्ट्र में किसी भी मोर्चे को इजाजत है, ये लोकतांत्रिक राज्य है, कोई भी मोर्चा निकालना चाहे तो परमिशन लेकर निकाल सकता है, लेकिन जब कोई परमिशन लेता है तो उसका रूट किस प्रकार से होना चाहिए। अगर रूट में कई ट्रैफिक के प्रॉब्लम्स है, अगर रूट में कोई ऐसी जगह है कि जहाँ पर स्टैम्पिड जैसी अवस्था हो सकती है, कुछ ऐसी चीज़ें होगी तो पुलिस रूट चेंज करने को कहती है। तो मैंने जब पुलिस कमिश्नर से पूछा तो पुलिस कमिश्नर ने मुझे कहा कि हमने उनको रूट चेंज करने के लिए कहा था, लेकिन वो एडमंट थे कि हमको यही रूट लेना है, इसलिए पुलिस ने उसको नकारा है।
Well, there you have it, and we're constantly playing out for you visuals of the MNS workers beating a trader and basically an employee there for not speaking Marathi. This has basically led to this whole showdown. Uddhav Thackeray now has come out to say that he's not against Hindi or any language per se, but he's against forceful imposition, particularly targeting the Hindi language, saying forceful imposition is not entertained.
हम किसी भाषा का विरोध नहीं कर रहे हैं, हम तो जबरन या सख्ती से हमारे ऊपर कुछ लादने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं, उसका हम विरोध कर रहे हैं। अब मैं कौन सी भाषा में आपके साथ बात कर रहा हूँ? हिंदी में तो कर रहा हूँ। हमारे सांसद यहाँ खड़े हैं, संसद में हिंदी में तो बोलते हैं, जबरदस्ती क्यों? और अगर जबरदस्ती करनी है तो जो उत्तर के राज्य है, चाहे उत्तर प्रदेश है, हमारी कोई दुश्मनी नहीं है।
All right, now remember this, the Thackeray brothers have come together after very recently the BJP-led NDA government in Maharashtra had imposed Hindi as a third language, almost a compulsion it had made it. But after much of the backlash and the two Thackeray brothers coming together, the government decided to roll that back. But now BMC elections is just around the corner, Marathi pride pitch now only getting louder. And in all, BJP also finding itself in the back foot because they were at one point cozying up to MNS or MNS cozying up to the BJP. Now that's not happening. Uddhav Thackeray, of course, has parted ways from the BJP. So it seems like this whole language war has managed to reunite the Thackeray brothers. Will this basically mean trouble for the BJP in Maharashtra. In a rare public split, Maharashtra's own transport minister today, Pratap Baburao Sarnaik, senior leader from the Eknath Shinde Shiv Sena camp, he's basically a minister in the government, he decided to show up as part of MNS protest. He said, I'm angry with the government for not giving MNS permission, I will be part of that protest. Now, funnily and embarrassing for him that he was not entertained by the MNS to be part of that protest, but this clearly is a statement here. When your own person is crossing the aisle, then it's time to introspect.